sweat the technique.
안녕하세요. 저는 라스포원 팀 리더 비트조 조성국입니다. 저희는 이제 2002년부터 만들어진 팀이고요. 지금은 뉴 제너레이션으로 세대 교체를 거듭해서 지금 활발하게 왕성하게 활동 중입니다. 앞으로도 많이 관심 가져주시고 지켜봐 주세요. Peace.
I drop the bass to MCs get weak. For every road they trace is a scar they keep. Cause when I speak, they freak to sweat the technique. I made my debut in '86 with a melody and a president's mix. And now I stay on target and refuse to miss. And I still make hits for beats. Parties, clubs, and cars and jeeps. My underground sound vibrates the streets. MCs wanna beef, then I play for keeps. When they sweat the technique. Don't sweat the technique. They wanna know how many bombs have I ripped and wrecked, but researchers never found all the pieces yet. Scientists try to solve the context, philosophers are wondering what's next. Pieces took the lab to observe them. They couldn't absorb them, they didn't deserve them. My ideas are only for the audience ears. For my opponents it might take years. Pencils, pens, and swords. Letters put together from a key to cause. I'm also a sculpture, born with structure. Because of my culture, I'm a rhythm instructor. Style that'll be full of technology, complete sights and new heights after I get deep. You don't have to speak, just see and peep the technique. Don't sweat the technique. I speak indiscreet, cause talking cheap. Then I get deep in the beat, then complete. Bold with the Z, never weak or obsolete. They never grow old techniques, become antiques. Better than something brand new, cause it's original. In a while, style I have much more value. Classical, too intelligent to be radical. Masterful, never irrelevant, mathematical. Here's some souvenirs for all the years. You fought the sort of thoughts and ideas. It's cool when you freak to the beat. Well, don't sweat the technique.